What we're doing today is giving the Jeep a little bit of cosmetic change and upgrading its pulling power from the front. Let me show you what I mean.
You're watching Florida Man TV. Let's do this.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're out here in the Florida Man tent. Got my boy Brent over here to help me today. We are in the tent because it decided to rain. Florida forecast is never accurate. It tells you it's not going to rain. It's going to be nice and cloudy. Perfect day for working outside. And as soon as he gets here, it starts raining. So
it's my fault.
We pulled the Jeep into the tent here so that we can work. What we're doing today is giving the Jeep a little bit of cosmetic change and upgrading its pulling power from the front. Let me show you what I mean. So down here we've got a Smittybilt rear bumper. It is the classic style. You'll see it. I like the classic style for rock clearance when you're on the trail. Over here somewhere we have our Smittybilt rock sliders, and we have a body armor front bumper which also has the steering box guard on it, which is cool. Winch plate, of course, on that bumper, and we have gone with the Smittybilt XRC winch system. I particularly like Smittybilt stuff. I put it on pretty much all the Jeeps I've had. It's just decent quality stuff at a really affordable price, gets the job done, doesn't break the bank like some of these other vendors. I won't name names, but they want like 1,800 bucks for a front bumper. It's just ridiculous. Steel is steel, and they're just going to get beat up if you're really trailing your Jeep hard. So while I don't plan on doing extreme stuff like I did in the past, you never know what you're going to bump up against, so it's always good to upgrade the Jeep's front and rear bumpers a little bit. So without delay, let's go ahead and get in on it. I'll probably just do some time-lapse stuff, and then the ending product here is what you're going to want to see. Let me give you a quick walk around to refresh your memory, to show you what it looks like stock. So there's your rear bumper. We're going to be taking these steps off here and replacing with rock sliders. And of course the front is just your stock factory Jeep stuff. So you ready, brother?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get it done. Okay guys, we got our Smittybilt classic rear bumper installed. We're going to move on to the rock sliders slash side rail slash bodyguard, whatever you want to call it. On this particular one, it is a full custom drill and tap for the hardware here. So we're going to remove the factory hanging little step here, and then you're essentially going to drill and tap for all of our bolts that go in here. So we're going to go ahead and do that, a little time lapse for you, and then we'll show you when they're on. Alright guys, a simple 8-bolt project turned into a couple hour nightmare, but we got the side sliders, rock sliders, side rails on there. Looks a lot better than the little step. Matches, of course, the rear bumper texture. We got this side over here done too. Give you a little close-up on them. There you go. They're pretty sick because it's a you know, it's wide enough you can step on it, but then it has an extra bar down here that it can slide on. So I like this style, this design. I've done this on 2 of my Jeeps, this style here, and I really like it. So simple, clean, effective, that's what you want. Next up, we're doing the front bumper here and the winch install. Where's the front bumper? Here it is. So we got our body armor, front bumper, and I'll go through and explain that when we get it on and we're doing the install. Alright guys, front bumper is on. We've got to do our winch wiring and route the cable through, and I got to go inside and get some D-rings I think I have from another project last time I did a Jeep, so I should have more of those in my go bag. But don't worry about these ugly little lights. The factory lights will be replaced, but I figure why not put them on there for now. You know, if I need my fog lights, they're on there and they work. We're going to swap them out for some LEDs later on. But there you go. That is the front bumper on. Thank you to Brent. Thank you to my other buddy over here, Hunter. And let's do a quick walk around here before we wire the winch up. You guys don't need to see winch wiring and all that. It's, you know, whatever, not a big deal. But looks wise, we got the front bumper. I'm gonna walk around, do a quick walk around, matches kind of the side style. And then around, you guys saw the back already. There's the back. It's kind of dark under the tent. I hope you guys can see in the video the front bumper, but functional and looks a little bit better like it's an actual Jeep that I'm gonna use on a trail or something. Final update for those that are still with us. We got the winch all wired up and standard, you know, through the grill Jeep stuff kind of wiring. But got the Fairlane on there. That's your final shot for the front of the Jeep. I think it looks pretty good. A little bit aggressive, but subtle still. And that's the way I like to do it. Sometimes on these projects, you do actually need a little help. So appreciate those guys. Appreciate you watching the video too. And I will catch you on the next one.